My name is Mike Hale. I'm a sales and marketing manager at Little Beaver Incorporated. I had worked in the fence business before I graduated from high school. I had worked a couple of summers with a guy who was a full-time fence installer. So I learned the business in like the 11th grade. We did mostly everything by hand. And we had these two-cycle chainsaw engines with an auger on the bottom. And one of the guys, when I worked on his crew, he had a Little Beaver. And having used the two-cycle with the chainsaw motor on it, and then going to the Little Beaver, I told him, I'm only on your crew from now on. I'm not going back to another crew, you know. I mean, it was just like the cat's meow right off the bat for me. So even when I had my fence company, for 20-some years, that's all I ever had was Little Beaver machines, you know. The reason I stayed with Little Beaver was because of the safety factors. You know, they're fast, they're safe, you don't tie up a lot of people, you know, with equipment and all that kind of stuff, and just the labor end of it alone is a big savings for installers and stuff like that. When I was installing, I used to have guys, other fence companies come up to me and go, how did you set that many posts that fast? You know, we set 1,500 feet in 6 hours, and we had to dig and mix the cement and everything, but it was just two of us. But we couldn't do it unless we could, you know, we could dig 150 holes in an hour and a half. You can't do that with any other machine.